Hi guys, and welcome to the next part of our Thailand adventure. We start this video in Surat Thani and we spend the night here in one of the cheapest hotels we stayed in. Have a guess how much this one was.
So this is our room in Surat Thani for the night. You'll never guess how much this was. Shower, toilet, hairdryer, air conditioning, big TV, mini fridge, complimentary water, coffees, teas, double bed. How much was it, Sky?
£13.
How much?
I don't know. £13.
£13. What a bargain. Can't even buy a takeaway pizza for that in the UK.
The following day we got a minibus all the way to Khao Sok National Park on the west side of Thailand. It was here that we bumped into a couple of fellow backpackers who were also travelling around Thailand. If you're the kind of person that likes to immerse yourself in nature, then I thoroughly recommend the Morning Mist Hotel. You'll be staying in a cabin right in the middle of the jungle, completely surrounded by nature.
Just nick my drink.
Why did you grab it back?
I don't want to try.
Can I have my drink back, please?
No way.
Oh, you can have it, it's fine.
He's too cute.
The way he just like put his hand.
Oh.
Fresh coconuts by the pool in the sunshine, right in the middle of the jungle. Why wouldn't you? And because we booked a trip through this hotel as well, we managed to negotiate a really good price for the hotel room. 4 people, including breakfast, staying in a family room. Have a guess how much you think it came to. You placed your bets? Okay, it was £4 each for the night. That was definitely worth a drink to celebrate. The following day we went to Khao Sok National Park as part of the trip. Talking of trips, I think I had one too many last night. This trip included a complete tour of the lake and an overnight stay in one of these floating bungalows. We dropped our bags off at the floating bungalows and then went for lunch. All the meals are included in this experience. You also have access to the kayaks and you can go swimming in the downtime. We were then back on the boat to have a guided tour of the lake, go jungle trekking and visit some caves.
Spider here, bat over there. Spider-Man, Batman. Someone should touch them, catch them, not poison them. But we don't touch, we don't disturb like that. เจมหัวโต๊ะเลยครับโต๊ะเลย
Amazing drone footage there from Archie, so thank you for letting us use that. The following day we got up and had breakfast and then went out on the kayaks. It's our last day on the lake, so we wanted to make the most of it. On the way back from the trip, they took us to see the dam, because believe it or not, Khao Sok Lake is actually a man-made lake. It was flooded back in the 80s to store water for the Thai people, and also as a source of hydroelectricity. And now they also use it for tourism, so that's forward thinking if ever I saw it. If they hadn't already spoilt us enough, we finished the trip off with a lovely lunch at 99 Camp and Cafe. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and it's given you some travel inspiration. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already subscribed, it's completely free. If you click the alarm bell, you'll get notifications when I post new videos. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one, where we continue our journey in Krabi, Thailand, and we visit Tiger Cave Temple Mountain, which is basically a temple right at the top of a mountain. It's only 1,260 steps to the top.